pre-K friends. It's time for craft time with Miss Jen. Have you noticed it's been really rainy this week? I have. Every time I walk outside, my head gets wet. So I decided that we should probably make some umbrellas. So today, we're going to make paper plate umbrellas. In your packet, you received half of a paper plate. Does anybody know what shape that is? It is a half circle. Good job. And you also received some pretty gems in a bag. Go ahead and get those out of your baggie. Dump them out on your table. Put the baggie to the side. Alright. Also for this activity, you're going to need some drawing tools. I have a marker and a pencil. You're going to need something to color with. So I have lots of options. I have crayons. I still have some of my little quick stick paint stick left, so I might use that. You might have markers or maybe some other type of watercolors you could color with. You're also going to need some glue, and depending on what material you decide to use, you could either use your glue stick or your white school glue, or maybe even some tape. You're also going to need a pair of scissors and either a piece of construction paper or a piece of cardboard. I'm going to use a piece of cardboard because it's a little sturdier, but if you don't have any cardboard, go ahead and use a piece of your construction paper. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to decorate the umbrella, the top of our umbrella. I'm going to use my paint stick to color my umbrella. Like I said, you can use crayons or markers, or if you have some watercolor paints left over, you can use those to paint your top of your umbrella. So I want to go ahead and start. I'm going to get this colored. If I remember correctly, the nice thing about these quick paint sticks is that they dry very quickly. So my umbrella is going to be pink, because that's what color paint stick I have. Okay. Now this time I'm not going to worry about getting it completely covered because I kind of like how the white shows through. I'm going to put the lid back on my quick stick. Now while that's drying, we're going to make the handle to our umbrella. And when we hold an umbrella, there's a handle that holds up the top part of the umbrella. I'm going to use a piece of cardboard. Now like I said, if you don't have any cardboard laying around, you can always just use a piece of construction paper. So I'm going to use my marker to draw the handle. And a handle of an umbrella usually looks like the letter J. So that's what I'm going to draw on my cardboard. I'm going to draw the letter J. Now I'm just going to make it a little bit wider. I'm going to sort of make a bubble letter. Finish drawing my J. Okay, now I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut that out. So parent, you can either let your child try to draw the handle and cut it out, or you can draw it and then your child can cut it out. So here I go. I'm going to cut out the handle. Cardboard is pretty hard to cut, so help your child by helping them grip the scissors and help them pinch them. The reason I'm using cardboard is because I want to actually be able to hold my umbrella up. But if the cardboard is too hard for your child to cut, go ahead and just use a piece of construction paper. We want your child to have fun with this, so if it's frustrating trying to cut the cardboard, then just go ahead and move on to the construction paper. I'm almost there. Cut out the little loop in my J now. have my handle cut out, and I'm actually going to take some of my paint and color my handle also. I wonder what it'll look like on top of the brown cardboard. Guess I'll find out. Here we go. Oh yeah, I can see it a little bit. See how it's going on there? It's kind of hard to see on the video, but it's really pretty. Roll this up a little bit. Okay, put the lid back on. Now I'm going to let this dry, and I'm going to decorate the top of the umbrella. Yep, that should be nice and dry now. It doesn't take very long if you're using those. So you received some gems in your packet. Now, like I said, it's up to you whether you want to use your glue stick or your school glue. I'm going to use the white school glue. And I'm going to just use a little dot for each gemstone, because a little dot does, you got it, you remembered, a little dot does a lot. So you can either put the glue on the back of the gem, or you can put some dots right on to the paper plate. I have some starbursts, I have some circles, I have some that sort of look like rectangles. Ooh, this one actually looks like a raindrop. Gotta put that one on there. I need some more glue. Ooh, this is really pretty. I like the purple ones. What color did you get in your packet of gems? Did you get some purple ones? Did you get any red ones? Uh-oh. Those two are stuck together. I'm not going to be able to use that. Oh, here's another one that looks like a raindrop. What are colors? Ooh, here's a pretty red one. I'm going to put one more on mine, I think. A nice blue one. Okay. I'm going to close the lid on my glue so it doesn't dry out. I'm going to go ahead and get my handle. And the handle is going to go on the back of the paper plate. I'm going to use some tape. And I'm thinking I probably should have taped on my handle before I put my gemstones on. But we'll see how it goes here. Miss Jen will just be very careful. I'm going to have to do it upside down. Here we go. I'm going to tape it on like this. Silly Miss Jen. Okay. Oh, I see I have a dot of glue over there that I did not use. I'm going to put one more gemstone on. Let's see. Oh, I like this tiny blue one. I'm going to put that one on there. Oh, I have another dot of glue. Okay. Alright. Now I'm going to be happy when I go outside, because I'm going to have an umbrella to keep my head dry. Here's my finished product. Alright friends, have fun making your umbrella. We can't wait to see a picture of them. Have fun. Bye bye.